So we started the morning off at an empty playing field. We put up all of our marquees. We started getting the barbecue on, working out where everything's going to go, where the tables, the chairs are going to go. Eventually we got it up and running, we got it flames going. The barbecue was now hustling, it was rustling. We were starting to serve food. You can see loads of smiley faces, everybody's eating the food. You know, thumbs up to everybody that was involved, everybody sitting down, relaxing. We're fully underway now. You know, you can see people passing the money over, taking the food, eating away. It was a fantastic day. You've got the kids, they're on the bouncy castles, having fun, smiling, laughing. Inside we've got all of the stalls, we've got ladies' handbags, we've got toys, we've got clothes, we've got something for everybody. A full day out for everybody. It was a busy, busy day. Kids always love slush. They just love it. They always have fun. For the younger kids, we also had, as you can see, some bouncy castles and some play pits. Kids just having fun. Bit of face painting, that's always good as well. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
What was the best thing about today?
Face paint.
You love the face painting?
And the bouncy castle.
Yeah. Okay then, bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye! As you can see, everybody is here at the BeeHive event. They're eagerly awaiting to see who's won the bake-off. The judges are just behind me right now at the moment, deliberating about who's going to win the bake-off, and we will tell you very, very soon who's won the bake-off.
I just want to say I know the wonderful work BeeHive Trust do in promoting cohesion with fun events like this, which not only bring about lasting kind of relationships, but also raising money for the needy around the world. So thank you for all you do and keep up the good work. Thank you very much.